Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. From Multan Public School and College, I am your teacher, Rabia Ayub. Dear students, today we will be learning sound A. Here we are on our screen and we can see capital A and small a. Name is A and sound is A. Now let us learn the sound A by singing a rhyme. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. Was that fun? Okay, let's sing the rhyme one more time. Let's start. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. I hope now you know how to say the sound A. Okay, dear students, Allah Hafiz. Take care and keep reading.